Welcome to the Little Learner Farm. Cow goes moo. Chicken goes buck, 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 buck. Sheep goes baa. Pig goes oink, 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 oink. Horses say neigh. Duck goes quack, 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 quack. Look at all of the animals on the farm. Horse goes neigh. Chicken goes buck, 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 buck. Horse goes neigh. What comes next in the pattern? A chicken. Chicken goes buck, 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 buck. Let's do it faster now. Neigh. Buck, 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 buck. Neigh. Buck, 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 buck. Good job. Let's get ready for the next one. Cow goes moo. Pig says oink, 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 oink. Cow goes moo. What animal comes next in the pattern? That's right, pig. And pig says oink, 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 oink. Good job. Let's do the pattern faster now. Moo. Oink, 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 oink. Moo. Oink, 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 oink. Good job, little learners. Let's do another one a little bit harder. Are you ready? Okay, let's go, little learners. Duck goes quack. Duck goes quack. Sheep goes baa. Duck goes quack. Duck goes quack. What comes next in the pattern? That's right. Sheep goes baa. Okay, now let's do it faster. Quack, quack, baa. Quack, quack, baa. Good job. You learned all the animals on the Little Learner's Farm. Way to go. Speech Patterns, Little Learners Network. Help us figure out which color comes next. Yellow, purple, yellow. What color comes next? Purple. Good job. Help us figure out which color comes next. Orange, green, orange. What's the next color? Green. Did you say green? Good job. Next round. Help us figure out which color comes next. Pink, blue, pink. What's the next color? Blue. You're right. It's blue. Get ready. Here it comes. Help us figure out which color comes next. Red, blue, red. What's next? Blue. You're right. It's blue. Last round. Help us figure out which color comes next. Purple, green, purple. What's next? Green. You did it. Thank you for helping me figure out the colors. Good job. Let's play a game called Find the Group of Three. The rules are find the picture with 3 animals in it before the time runs out. Which group has 3 animals? Do you see the picture with 3 animals in it? Time's up. If you guess the cats, you're right. There's 3 cats.
We did it.
Good job, little learner. Do you want to play again? Okay, here we go. Which picture has 3 animals in it? Time's up. I hope you guessed right. If you pick this one with the 3 monkeys in it, you are right. There's 3 of them. Good job, little learners. You did it again.
Hooray!
Hi, little learners. Today we're going to look at some of our animals that are in the snow. Here's a squirrel. It's eating. Dog. The dog is walking in the snow. The seagull. The seagull is swimming. Penguin. Look at the penguin walking. Deer. The deer is eating. Wolf. The wolf is standing in the snow. Moose. Look at the moose. It's looking at us. Aw, the polar bear is eating with its baby. The horse. The horse is running in the snow. It's a reindeer. Wow, look at that reindeer. Snow leopard. The snow leopard is yawning. What animals are in the ocean? Dolphin. That dolphin is swimming. Wow, look at those dolphins swim. There's a bunch of them swimming. Otter. That's an otter swimming. Wow, look at those otters. Jellyfish. Wow, look at those jellyfish. They're beautiful. Shark. He's swimming with a shark. Uh-oh, look out, it's a shark. Whale. Wow, that whale is jumping out of the water. Swim, swim. Stingray. Have you ever seen a stingray before? Look at the happy stingray. Octopus. There's the octopus. The octopus swims at the bottom with the fish. Octopus. Clownfish. Have you ever seen one before? Maybe in a movie? Hey, those fish look familiar. That's a clownfish. Sea turtle. These are my favorite. Look at the sea turtle swimming. That sea turtle is swimming. Starfish. Did you know starfish are real? Wow, look at all of the starfish. 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 Penguin. Those are penguins. They're swimming in the ocean. Look at those penguins. Hey, that one jumped into the water. Those penguins are swimming. Crab. That is a red crab. Hey, that crab is crab walking. Can you walk like a crab? Eel. Wow, eels look just like snakes. How interesting. That is an eel. Seahorse. That is a seahorse. Seahorse. Seahorse starts with the letter S. Look at the seahorse underwater. Do you know what that is? That's a lobster. Look at that lobster walking. That lobster is swimming. Do you see the lobster's claws? Next, we have a blowfish. Can you say blowfish? Wow, look at the blowfish. Crocodile. That is a crocodile underwater. Boing, boing. Look at the crocodile.
Guess the animal. Little Learners Network. What animal makes that noise? It's a horse. Can you say horse? H-O-R-S-E. Horse. I wonder what animal that was. It's a chicken. Can you say chicken? C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Who's behind the barn door? It's a cow. Can you say cow? O-W, cow. Can you guess who that is? It's a dog. Can you say dog? D-O-G, dog. Who do you think that is? It's a rooster. Can you say rooster? R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. What animal makes that noise? It's a goat. Can you say goat? Who could that be? It's a pig. Can you say pig? P-I-G, pig. I wonder what animal that was. It's a turkey. Can you say turkey? T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey.
Hey, if you like this video and want to see more, like, subscribe, and share.
So I'll see you next time at the Little Learners Network.